Well, here we go. Just a short little blog again. I'm back at my normal resting place, Long Riston. I've had my gel, energy gel, and I've had a drink. I'm all deserted today. I haven't got my little friends, the bulls in this field, the long cattle with the big horns. They're not here today. They're hiding behind those trees behind me, over there. And the three bull cows in this field, behind me, over this way, they're in front of me. They're coming over to this side of the field now. They're beginning to join me. The geese have disappeared over there. And over behind me, we've got some, I think there might be jackdaws or rooks. Cheeky little chappies. I do like the noise they make. And yeah, good news. I've seen the robin. Our robin's back in the garden, which is rather nice. I do like the robin. I was trying to get him to come closer to us, but he wasn't. Even with the worms that I feed him, the mealworms, he wouldn't come too close. Yeah, the blackbird's been collecting bedding material from the garden, bits of straw and dead grass. In fact, they've been causing a bit of a mess in the garden, actually. Anyway, they've been collecting nesting material, so they must be getting ready to have a second clutch of baby birds. I'm pretty certain we had a baby blackbird a couple of months back, maybe a month or two, when the weather was really nice. But that seemed to have disappeared. So I don't know whether it was a crow that took it or not. I don't know. But hopefully they'll have another clutch of baby blackbirds. Keep an eye out for them. Yeah, we got 4. Couldn't believe it, 4 blue tits in the garden. Still got the 2 goldfinches. They keep coming in, and the sparrows, of course. We've got lots of, well, not lots, but a couple of sparrows, and another red bird that you don't see anymore. It's the starling. I remember as a kid, when I was living at my mum and dad's house, it must have been what, under 15, they would be absolutely millions of them. They would not quite darken the skies, but you get the idea. They would be in their hundreds and thousands, just swarming all over the sky in making patterns. But they seem to have disappeared. It's been a slow decline, and all of a sudden you just notice that there's no more starlings anymore. This is rather sad to see. I mean, they don't do us any harm. Always brightly coloured. And the thrushes, we haven't seen a thrush in years either. My lady wife Sarah, she's said she used to have thrushes in the garden. They've disappeared. Sad, really. But hopefully this lockdown will have improved the atmosphere for the bugs, and the bugs feed the birds, and the birds feed my soul. Keeps me happy. Yeah, you need something to keep you happy when you've run out of money. So the government only gives you £73 a week to live on, when the road tax is £55, which I need to pay somehow. And the insurance for the house is £60. And then you've got £13 for the TV licence, so that'll have to go. We'll have to start watching all the videos we've got. Anyway, that'll do. I'll do that for the rest of the day now. I'll get back on my bike and go home. You've heard me rant. Right, bye.